Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the lady spin walk around. For those of you who don't know a lady spin, there is a link to the clip teaching that in the description below. Head off, learn it, come back so you're ready to join the rest of us. Lady spin walk around on its own looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts off man's right, lady's right. We go semicircle push, send the lady back, guys step back. Now when we do a prep for a lady spin, we normally take it around the lady's centre, so she's in the middle of a circle and we're going around the edge. We're not going to be doing that this time. We're intentionally going to be bringing the lady forwards to our right, guys, into her prep. And we're stepping forwards over to the left, fellas. And then instead of giving the lady loads of energy to get a spin, we're just going to gently take the hand through and carry on the rotation. So it's a little walk. So the hand goes over to the left as we do that. Then we can repeat across the right and we step. And over to the left, we come back to face each other. On the final one, you could do as many as you wanted to, but we're going to do the spin on the third one. We go prep, spin, catch, return, and back. Now, one word of warning. Occasionally you meet someone who's been taught some bad beginner technique and they go to their lady spin prepare and the lady makes a fist. Okay? Some people think this is a good idea because it allows them to put more energy through the connection to lead the spin. Lady spins are quite gentle. It's really not needed. And if the lady's made a fist, when you then try and lead the next step, either she goes off into the spin whether you lead one or not, or the guy trying to stop that happening grips, which basically forces the lady's fingernails into her hands. It's just an uncomfortable thing. So ladies, don't make a fist. Guys, you give the lady the information for the spin. You don't have to give her masses of energy. It's just not required. So let's pop some numbers. We go back 1, over to the right and take first step 2, come into face 3, round through again 4, facing on 5, and I'm actually going to increase my tone a little bit on this one, 6, because that little extra tone gives the lady the idea that I'm going to give her a little bit more energy, and that's where we get the spin 7, catching 8, returning 1 and back 2. Let's have a go together. Man's right, lady's right. 5, a 6, a lady spin walk around. We go a back and step, face, step, face, prep, spin, catch, return and back, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Much appreciated everybody who does that because it helps us promote the channel and promote dancing generally. And I'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.